Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. These are courgettes or zucchini. Today I'm going to show you a zucchini or courgette recipe. So come with me as we share this recipe. It's an easy recipe. You can just complete the recipe in about 20 minutes. You are done. So let's do it now. So the first thing is make sure you have thoroughly washed the zucchini and just make sure they are clean. Wash them under cold running water. And I have 3 zucchinis here. They have this color and this color and this color. So the aim of this recipe is just to show how you can easily make this into a delicious recipe. And my aim here is I'm not going to have any bread anymore because of these beautiful plants. So I have just stopped having bread, and these are some of the substitutes for bread. So let's do it now. So first of all, we need to chop. We are going to chop the zucchini. So we have these ones. Just chop them into lovely slices, about 5 millimeters in thickness. So this is how we do it. So these are filled with vitamins and minerals, and the family will love them, really. The family will love this. Usually when you cook zucchini, they get soft, they get soggy, but this recipe will help us out. Sorry for the noise. So this is the recipe which is going to help us out. From here, we are going to drizzle a little bit of salt. A little bit of salt. Then we drizzle a bit of olive oil. We are going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil. You can just put it in a lid like this. Then drizzle. There you go. We have drizzled some olive oil. Now, I have been preheating the oven now. So the oven is ready. We are going to bake for about 20 minutes in the oven. There, our zucchini is in the oven. We are going to bake for about 20 minutes. So the baking is best because it will help the zucchini not to, to get soggy. So you just time the clock to about 20 minutes. And I'm baking on about 200. So 200 degrees there. 200 degrees. And just 200 degrees, and for about 20 minutes. Let's see how it goes. So there goes our zucchini. I'll be showing you after 20 minutes. I'll show you the result of the zucchini. So zucchini really good for for the general health. It gives us a lot of nutrients. So I hope you are going to see incredible results soon. Let's do it. Hi guys, the zucchini is ready now, and it has been in the oven, and it is really nice and tender. Wow, this is nice and tender. Wow, look at that. Let me just taste this one. So yummy. So now it's the final time. Our zucchini is ready. We are going to serve this in the platter. We are going to serve this in the platter. So we have the 3 varieties here of zucchini. So let's give it a go and see what happens. So this is our delicious zucchini. There's no way I'm going to have bread with this amazing zucchini, I'm saying goodbye to bread, and now I will be having the produce from the allotment. So at the moment we are having zucchini to substitute bread. So this is how it goes. Our zucchini is ready. So let's have a look at the platter. That's our platter. We are accompanying the platter with a bit of tomato, if you like tomatoes. And also you can include, if you are a fan of meat, you can include meat. So I've just prepared some cow liver. So I have some cow liver here which I've just prepared. So you can serve this with a bit of cow liver. So there goes our cow liver and zucchini. Look at that. That's our cow liver. And you can finish this dish with some oregano. This is oregano. Just a little bit of oregano. We are going to give this to the zucchini and the beef liver. So we sprinkle a bit of oregano there. Oregano is a really amazing, herb. So it will complement the dish. So I hope guys you are going to subscribe to my channel, of which I will be thankful for that. So this is what you can substitute, bread with. So I've substituted bread with zucchini. Wow, look at that. So I can't wait to give this a bite. So thanks everybody for watching this video, and I hope you have really enjoyed how you can use what you have to substitute bread. So let's enjoy this. Thanks everybody for watching this amazing recipe.